I think most people, when it comes to dampening their leaf, they'll use one of these little spritz bottles. Hold the leaf out here and go spritz, spritz, spritz. The problem to me is you can feel the individual droplets land. And on certain type of leaves, where that individual droplet lands, you might leave a dark spot, and so mottle up your leaf. You can also feel places where more water landed and other places where other water didn't. It's hard to control the amount that goes there, so I prefer a conditioning chamber. This is a Coleman Party Stacker. It's meant to hold 24 soda cans on a picnic. Cost about 12 bucks back at the time I got it. Last I looked this morning, they were about 20 some bucks. Get it at Amazon, get it at Walmart. This thing here is just one of those fake Tupperware trays. Came from the dollar store, so we know it costs $1. Put about this much water in it. This guy here is a little rack out of a midget refrigerator, one of those higher refrigerators. The fridge is busy in the garage holding beer. It's the type of fridge that you might put in a dorm, something like that, one of those little miniature guys. Put that guy there. Here are your wrapper leaves. This is some of that Connecticut shade from FX Smith. It's especially prone to making spots and getting mottled if you spritz on it. This is some Indonesian wrapper, which I'm using as binder. So these guys here may be in this conditioning chamber for 5 or 6 hours. This guy here, for binder, may only be there for 2 hours. Now there it is, as simple as that. You do that at the beginning of the day, and later on, when you go to roll, your leaf is in proper condition. But it has been conditioned gradually. It won't get too damp. It's all coming through the air and reaching everything pretty much at the same rate, so you don't have spots. The tobacco conditioning chamber.